How you going? Mick here from Diggermate. We're going to take you through a few operations and a couple of tips on how to use our excavators if you've never used one before.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com.au and get it done with Diggermate.
The first couple of safety tips. First and foremost, if you're working on a gradient, make sure you keep the buckets to the high side and the blade to the low side. If you can't do that, make sure the bucket on the low side is really, really close to the ground. So if the machine tips, it just hits the bucket, you can stand yourself back up again. Now, if you do tip the machine, please do not try and start it again. Oil can get into the engine, you can blow the engine, and that gets really expensive. All right, the rest of the tips are pretty simple. They're pretty bulletproof machines and they're pretty easy to use. All our machines come with the buckets ready to go. So you get a 300, a 450, an 1100 bucket. You get the ripper as well. The machines will come fueled and ready to go. So we expect them to come back fueled and cleaned as much as you can. To get the machine off the trailer to start with, you need to undo the straps at the front, drop the ramps and undo the shackle at the back. And then we'll scrub the excavator forward and undo the hooks over here at the front of the dozer blade. Okay, now turn the machine on, scrub the machine forward a little bit and take the hooks off the dozer blade. It's really handy to have an assistant for this bit. Thanks, Tanner. Righto, Tan. Okay, so to take the machine off the trailer, you're just going to use the dozer blade, this joystick, and the two controls for the tracks. So dozer blade goes back, this joystick comes up just a little bit, just to raise the buckets off the trailer, and then all the way back. It's important to get the dozer blade all the way up though, because there's generally an auger underneath there, and you don't want to hit the auger with the dozer blade. So that's it. Now that you're clear of the trailer, you can get used to the controls. Now, if you're going to take the machine off the trailer when the trailer's not connected to the car, first make sure the handbrake is completely on. The jockey wheel is wound all the way up so that the stoppers on the bottom of the ramps actually touch the ground when you're coming off. And finally, there's a little reversing signal right here that beeps and beeps and beeps when you're reversing. So if you want to turn that off when you're getting off the trailer, just flick it right there.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com.au. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.